Today I'm going to show you how you can do some subtle refinements in Photoshop that are a lot more difficult or impossible to do in Camera Raw or Lightroom. For example, in this picture I've already done a little bit of work in Camera Raw, but what I can't really do that I would like to do is bring this section down darker. I could use the adjustment brush to do that, but as it is a very specifically defined area, uh, that would be a lot more difficult to do with the brush. So what I'm going to do is create a layer mask and show you how to do it that way. So I'm going to first zoom in on that area so I can more easily define it. Here we go. Make sure I can see the object I want to select, and I'm going to use this tool here, which is called the Object Selection tool. And basically I'm just going to hold down on my mouse and create a rectangle around this object that I want to select, and it will fairly quickly select it. Didn't do a very good job in this upper right hand corner, but otherwise it looks great. So I'm going to show you how to fix this other part later after I've created the mask. And all I need to do is come down here to my adjustment layers and click levels, because that's the part I want to make darker. Now if I wanted to make it blue or red or green, I could use the hue saturation. If I wanted to turn that part black and white, I could use the black and white. So I have all sorts of options here. I'm just going to click on levels, and it creates automatically the layer mask, and I can just simply adjust my levels a little bit and bring that part down. Okay, I'll move this out of the way so you can see. But what I'd really like to do is also include this section. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit more to that section and get my brush. And basically, if I paint in with white, I can reveal that. There we go. If I were to paint in with black, I would hide it. There we go, just in a few seconds. And also, if I click on my mask here and then properties comes up, I can adjust the feather of that selection, which you can see better if I zoom in. Feather means the softness of the edge. And the nice thing is all of these things are non-destructive ways of working. So if I want to go back and make that a little lighter again, no problem. I just double click on that and move my levels over, or I can make it darker. I want it to look like I didn't work on it. I want my editing to be invisible unless I'm doing something really experimental. That looks pretty good to me. It distinguishes it from the background. Good. I'm happy with that. Okay. So that's how you can use a layer mask to quickly make a change, which is non-destructive. So in other words, I can always go back to my original file. Have a wonderful day.